everything is just so expensive. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Arike with the Vibe, and today I have something super exciting to share with you all. I'm going to be showing you how I actually transformed my own room from looking like this to this. On budget. Transforming my own room was strictly on budget, and if you are someone like me that is on a very strict budget and your creativity depends on your space, then you need to watch this video. As you can see in this video, my room was not giving. It was not giving at all, honestly. And I wasn't feeling very creative. And the thing is, I really don't have money. I really don't have much. And that is why I said I was on budget, because I was strictly working with my budget. So let me take you through every single step. The next thing I did was my bed frame. Let me tell you something. Bed frame is a game changer. It will transform your room totally. I mean totally. To transform it and give it a new old look. So I search high and low. Like I checked Instagram, checked TikTok for declutter. I was searching up on TikTok to see if I can actually get anybody that have some like a fair used one that is actually nice. But the prices I was seeing, oh my god, I was seeing like 180k, 200k for bed frame. Like, when did we get here? Everything is just so expensive. I was almost giving up because I don't have that type of money. I don't have up to 180k to just spend on bed frame. So after thinking for a while, I just realized that, oh, we still have Facebook Market. So I went on Facebook. I feel like Facebook is that app that there are God-fearing people like me. And fortunately, I joined the first group, the second group, you see, before you can access or check any stuff, any goods there, you have to join the group. So I joined the first group, but the second group I joined, I just saw a bed frame, 100,000 naira. It was looking so neat and it was new. I was like, bed frame, 100,000 naira new. Good thing is that it was my bed frame, my bed size, 4.5 and a half by 6. I was just like, wow. I just took the number and I called the person immediately. I was just like, okay, how much is it? He said 100. I said, please, can you help me bring it down? He was like, no, that's the last. I said, please. So that was how the man agreed to sell it for me 90k. I got my bed frame 90,000 naira. 90. Oh my god. But the only thing is that moving in from mainland to island, that was the only thing. That was the only excessive, Uber drivers, before you see someone, what is movers to help you move them down, because I stay on the island. That is like the problem. But yeah, 90,000 naira. I got my bed frame for 90,000. New ones, new. Let's talk about my table. What I actually wanted was this vanity mirror table setup. These days, I don't Google anymore. I just went straight to TikTok. I don't Google. So I was checking vanity mirror table set on TikTok, and I was seeing prices like 250, 300. And at this point, I was just tired. I don't know what to do anymore. But algorithm, I was just on Instagram. Once algorithm know that, okay, this is what you want, they will start messing up your FYP with different types of stuff that you actually search for. So I started seeing different type of table, desk, vanity mirror, different prices on my Instagram FYP. So that was when I saw this foldable table. I was so happy that, wow. And because my space is not that big, I was like, okay, maybe this one is going to work. I texted my friend asking if I can actually design it, maybe like put a mirror on it and maybe it will come out like that vanity mirror table set. I ordered the table for 85,000 naira. The desk was 85,000 naira. And I got my chair from them also. That was 29,000 naira. This mirror, I already have this mirror already. So I just placed it on top and it was so fine. You can see it. You can see my table and my mirror. Like, it's giving that vanity mirror setup. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. So let's move to my mirror. My mirror, to be a big girl is not easy. Like, tell me why I'm seeing mirror prices for 100,000 naira. mirror, just to look yourself in the mirror. Like the least one I'm seeing online is like 80. I just did not even bother myself because I already seen somewhere where they were selling it around my area. So I went there. I told them I want a 5 feet mirror. I asked for different prices. The 5 feet was like they said it was like 45,000 naira last price, and the 6 feet was like 50 something. I was like, oh, I want the 5 feet. I showed them the design I want, and they said plus the lighting, I have to pay 55,000 naira. I was like, oh, can you collect 50k from me? That was how I got to pay 50,000 naira for my mirror. I mean, my mirror and lighting. How much have I spent now? The final thing I did was doing a little shopping for my room, because I just feel like, what if I buy all of these things and the room does not even change? Like it's just there. I just need something to design it with. So this is what I got. I went on Instagram and then shop it from this online vendor. I got this green vine leaf. I don't even know where to put it right now because I just want something matured and aesthetic. It's giving aesthetic and matured girly, because I don't want to put the green leaf inside. I don't know how it's going to look. And look at my room. Just take a look at my room. Before, I can't even film like this. I can't even film confidently like. So after all this thing, can you believe that if you calculate the money is, I think it's less than 300k or 300k, or let's just say a little bit fee above 300,000 naira. I really hope this video inspires you to design and decorate your own room, whether big or small space. I mean, you don't even have to break the bank before you can decorate your room. I know things are hard now. We are in hard time. Tipping is not making anything easy for us. But yeah, if I can work on a budget, you can actually work in a budget. Like, work with your pocket. There are things out there on declutters that you can get. If you can't get the new one, get the fairly used one. Yes. And if you are interested in those plug where I got my bed frame from, my mirror, I can actually you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. And thank you very much for watching. If you've come this far, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload my video. Another video is coming next week, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.